Off to Macau. Let's go. Our boat going to Macau is around 8 a.m. So time check, so almost 6:45. We should be early so that we will not be left behind by our boat. So we were on our way to the ferry earlier. Then we discovered that the promo for the free ferry going to Macau is only allowed for 7 days.
Within 7 days of arrival.
Yeah, within 7 days of arrival. You have to go to Macau within 7 days of arrival. And then now we went to the Tongchong to go to the bus going to Macau. So it took around 6 train stations. Then we went to Citygate outlets. Going there, we rode the bus B6 going to the port.
Macau.
Casino shuttle. We arrived here in Macau. Macau. We're here in Macau, so we're on our way to the free shuttle for the London here. So we're here in the middle of the bus terminal. If you want to go to Londonair or Venetian, you line up here. We're going to the Londonair first to have the Harry Potter experience. We made it to the Londonair bus. Harry Potter, here we go. Londonair. Wow. This is amazing. Oh, found the 9 3/4. Harry Potter. First, we eat. Lots of food stalls here. Each one is yummy. Let's go try that. So I ordered the 3 dishes for $70. Chloe has the kaya toast and Caroline has the braised pork. Hey. Ready. You have to put the wristband here. Okay. English. Touch to begin. Okay, Philippines is not included. Okay.
Okay, which one do you want? Oh. Cat, okay. Oh, alright. Oh, no. You have to go here. Can you do this now? Can you tiptoe like that? Oh, how do I need to lift her?
Oh, no need. Just the time.
Okay, then you have to look up, then smile here, okay? Are you ready?
3, 2, 1, cheese!
Wow. to Hogwarts.
跟我们一起踏上这段精彩纷呈的魔法世界。
I'm here. Yes. Mentors. Hoopla. Okay. Wow, it's Harry Potter's memories. Hogwarts. Gryffindor. Wow. Great hall. Oh. Candles. Potions. Dark arts. What are you most afraid of? Strange sound. Strange sound. Continue. Oh. Gonna trace the symbol. Oh.
Then you have to think of something funny.
Ridiculous. Divination. Wow.
Oh, there. Oh, the Forbidden Forest. Yeah, there's a Forbidden Forest experience in Singapore right now. Let's go inside Hagrid's house.
No? Hagrid's house.
Hagrid's big chair.
Hagrid's hut. Yay! Ano? Wow. The eggs. Okay, let's shoot some balls. Right. Easy. Haha! Completed with the port key. Yay! Ministry of Magic. Harry's bedroom. The most hated character. Umbridge. There's no good in evil, there's only power. It's too weak to seek it. Oh, Chamber of Secrets. I am Lord Voldemort. Wow. Chloe, where's the invisibility cloak? Huh? It's there? Cannot find it.
Why can't we see it? Because
It's there. It's there. Okay, you touch it. There, there, there. Oh.
oh, the winner is Chloe! Yay!
Patronum! Oh no. Boodle time again. Oh no.
Oh my!
Oh no. Oh no. We're done with the Harry Potter. But the problem is it's raining. So we cannot go to St. Paul's Ruins. Otoke. We're now headed to the Venetian. We're here under the Eiffel Tower. Coronado Square. We are now beginning our free taste journey. Free taste. You like the free taste? Okay.
Very good. Like pipi.
Thank you. Hi. Thank you. What do you have there? Yummy one? There it is. Famous St. Paul ruins. Oh, another free taste. Yummy? And the freebie.
Seaweed ba? Seaweed something
Thank you. Yummy? Later we'll go there, okay?
Akyat muna kami. Saan yung store mo? Tadaan!
Wow! Egg tart.
So we got this for 36 MOP instead of 40.
Look, Imagine Blue sneaker. Wow.
Wait, Dada is here na. Get your own spoon. Sige, start eating.
Matcha Macao.
Wow, I like it inside.
You taste? Oh, no?
Hawak, pag-ala yung
No free taste then. Maybe this store will give. Okay. Cool. We asked for the lady earlier. She just did like. Wow! You say thank you. Salamat. You say salamat. Ha? Free taste gelato. Is it yummy?
Yeah, it's yummy and it's $30.
Oh, never mind, Clown. So that's it for our short vacay to Macau. We had fun. Weather's nice. We're going back to Hong Kong in a bit.
14,000 steps so far today. And I think there will be 4,000.
Ah, raining again. Rainy day. Saying goodbye to Eiffel Tower and Macau. Going back to Hong Kong.